Hi friends, my name is Narendra Pratap Singh. I'm an internet marketer providing services to the exporters and buying offices of lead generation and improve their social image with a strong branding presence in the market to win clients. Today I'm here to talk to you about a few points which is really very important if you want to grow. If you really want to grow, just think about these points. These are going to be very important points. If you consider these points as a very important thing, then definitely you are about to grow your business. Let's share your positive thoughts with your social media so everyone start noticing you. Got my point? Because every morning whenever you are just getting up and you always have a positive thoughts, take a note, get a diary besides your desk. Whenever you just got a thought, write down it, convert into a template or post, share it on your social media. Because once you have started doing these kind of things, you will definitely coming into the notice of the peoples who really want these kind of persons who can generate more businesses. Because nobody knows what you are writing or what you are posting right now. It might be an idea for someone. Got my point? Next, come to the second point. Second point is post regularly. This is a secret, because the first point, definitely people would love to do a first or second time, but when the time comes to post regularly, they always missed it. Make sure post regularly, because if you are posting regularly, the people would start following you on regular basis. The people would start consuming your content on regular basis. So don't forget, you have to post on regular basis. And many of us have a hesitation to do this, because they are thinking like if you would do something and the people would say this and that. Just, my dear friends, just think about it. If you are not doing anything, do you think so the people would not talk about you? Are you sure? Definitely. If you do or if you not do, people still have to talk about you. But if you have done it and you have achieved something, the people would always do the talks about you. It doesn't matter to you. You just need to focus on your goal, what you have to do and how you have to do, because the people would not come to you to appraise you. If you are posting everything, if you are posting your positive thoughts, you are posting positive contents over there, the people start noticing you, and definitely it will grow your business, because you are just getting noticed with the peoples, and they are just going to follow you. Definitely it increase your people reach as well as your business reach. Fourth point, start reading good books. What kind of books? Whatever your interest. Might be you have a good interest in motivation, reading quotes, reading good articles. You just need to make you around yourself with a good and positive vibes. That moment you have able to surround yourself with a positive community and positive peoples and the positive thoughts, you will start realizing that you are going to the next level and you will get more things on available. You just need to explore yourself and definitely you will find many things. Got it my point? The last and the fifth point is make a habit of writing at least 500 words daily. I'm saying it because if you start writing, you are open to think more. Got my points? Let's begin journey with these steps. Till then, bye, take care. I'll meet you tomorrow with new learnings. Bye, take care.